Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TWS1 Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working for any reason, if they're not connecting to your Bluetooth device, if they're not syncing or pairing, if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you want to set these up as a new set of earbuds on a new device, we can go ahead and just wipe all of the pairing history off of them very easily. All we need to do is we're going to put the earbuds in the case, close the case, and then we're going to open the case and you'll see it should turn on, but we're going to leave the earbuds in the case and you're just going to come over and on this button that you see on the side here, you're just going to press it 3 times relatively quickly. You're just going to go like this. Press, press, press. And when you do that, the indicator light here will blink white, will start to blink white, and it'll just keep blinking white until the reset is complete. Once the reset is complete, these earbuds will automatically go into pairing mode, and you can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.